In life, we can observe an incredible phenomenon called emergence, which is sometimes known as the hive mind. The literal definition of emergence is small things coming together to form bigger things that are more than the sum of their parts. In life, there's when a group of low intelligence animals working together without a leader become intelligent. While this can appear in fish, birds, and mammals, most prominent is ants and bees, as they form a large hive and function together as one organism, with each individual acting as a cell. How this comes about is really quite incredible, and contrary to popular belief, does not rely on the hive's queen, but the opposite. It relies on the hive altogether. In ant and bee hives, each member leaves a chemical trail that specifies their job and their current task. Then each member uses their antennae to recognize these jobs and what part of the hive life it relates to. Then they can change to fill a job if they detect too few of that job, or find the tasks remain incomplete. An example of this is if a worker bee that stirs the honey to help make and preserve it runs into too few collector bees, or finds the stockpiles made by said bees are running short, they can change to a collector bee, or go and tell the next batch of larvae to become collectors when they mature. Eventually, the populations will balance out. They can also work together to form solutions to new problems or situations. As each one proposes an idea, then tests it, they share their findings with the others so they can learn from this data until an answer is discovered. All this is true among ants, of course, and this functions because the hive is always trying to expand, making it an intelligent and a cognitive organism. In a way, an ant or beehive has a cloud mind. Shared data is collected and responded to. Even if each member would have trouble forming solutions to problems, all together they can solve complex puzzles and adapt to their environment quickly. This cloud mind, or emergence of intelligence, allows ant hives to build bridges out of their own members, or move the entire hive miles away to a new location. Hive is a single organism formed from emergence, with each member acting as a cell, and each group of individuals work together to act as a tissue. These tissues work together to carry out jobs, thus acting as organs. The organ completes the job, all relating to one another, like organ systems, thus forming a form of homeostasis in the hive. Emergence is a complex and interesting phenomenon. We have no real way of predicting when it will appear or how many members it requires to function, nor do we know if there's a limit to how many members can be part of the same organism, or just how intelligent this organism is. What we do know is that if a member dies, the hive does not feel it. It's like a single cell dying. You won't notice. We also know that the more members there are, the more problems the hive can solve at once. With no real way of predicting emergence, because we can't detect when it first manifests, we're still in the dark. But with time, we can learn more and more about it, which may let us replicate it in our own lives. For example, a hive of nanobots with emergence could be used to maintain a machine or building, or perhaps even heal a person. So far, we need more study of emergence, so perhaps we can truly understand our odd and complex little neighbors. Thank you.